Hey everyone, it's me Kyne, and I'm going to show you how to get this Haunted Hues look using Quo Beauty's 2022 Halloween collection. First up, we're using the matte eyeshadow palette. Starting off with the color Boo, that deep dark green, and pressing it into the outer corner of the eye, working it into the crease and blending it out. Next up, we're going to do some winged liner and cut the crease by putting some concealer on the eyelid. And to really intensify the dark green, we want to layer some more of that color along the crease once again, so it's really dark. Afterwards, we're going to put some of the lighter green on the lid. This shade is called Ghoulish, and we'll put some of it into the eye's inner corner as well and a bit on the lower lash line. Then we'll smoke out that lower lash line with more of the dark green. I'm applying some of the skull glitter highlighter on the cheeks and blending it in, and putting on my blush and red lipstick, finishing off the makeup look with Quo Beauty's Super Drama Lashes. We're getting some touch-ups here, getting camera ready, and accessorizing using all the beautiful jewelry in the collection. Check it out at Shoppers Drug Mart and Pharmaprix this October. Happy Halloween!